Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. This is actually the 10th video on my 2009 Jeep Wrangler, and you will have seen from my other videos I'm starting to do some little bits and pieces to the car. So while I was looking over it the other day, I come across this small bit of black plastic just on the back rear quarter here, just below the cluster, and I was pretty curious what its actual function was. So now I know you can buy some bottle openers that go here. You can also plug in an auxiliary port for 12-volt power, and you can do a whole host of other things as well, but I was wondering what its actual use was. Now I live in Australia, so therefore the number plate is actually relocated down there. I've just taken it off for video purposes. But actually in the US, the number plate is mounted just here. So if we actually pull this plug off, you'll see there's actually some mounting holes there. So typically the cabling would come through here, and then this is how your number plate or license plate is actually mounted. I thought I'd just share that video because I was curious and I thought there might be others too. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.